Hello everyone and welcome to my Design with Canva series. In this series, I will be sharing tips on how you can make simple designs to give your business that professional look using Canva. Please like my videos and subscribe for more videos like this. Today, we will be creating a beautiful and professional logo that you can use for your small business with canva.com. If you are not registered on Canva already, you can sign up for a free account. When you log into Canva, on the left side of the screen, you will find a tab for available templates and one for projects. You can also find different design templates here. The Projects tab is where all your Canva projects are stored. To start creating your logo, click Create a Design and then select Logo. Now, you should already have an image that you want to use for your logo design. We will be creating a logo using this image, which I purchased from shutterstock.com. Free images can also be found on websites like flaticon.com. I will be creating a logo that can be placed on any background, so we will need to remove the white background from this image. I can do this for free on slazer.com. On slazer.com, select Upload Image, then select the image from your device that you want to remove its background. After the background is removed, download the image. I now have my image on a transparent background. Back to Canva. Select Upload, then Upload Files and select your image file. After uploading your image into Canva, drag and drop it onto your canvas. Resize as needed. Now let's add the name of the company to our logo. Select text, then select any text from the different templates available in Canva. Drag and drop the selected text onto the canvas and position it as you please. You can position it anywhere on the canvas. The guidelines help you align your text with your image. You can adjust your text size from here and select a different text style from here. When selecting font and colors, it helps to pick a particular font and color scheme that can be associated with your brand. This helps build brand awareness with your audience and your customers. The name of the company is SPS Logos. I will edit my text to reflect this. You can group your image and text together. To do this, select all, click on more, that is these three dots here, and click group. This groups the text and image together so you can resize both as a single image. We now have our first logo with a white background. To create the same logo on a black background, let's duplicate the page by clicking on this icon. Now scroll to page 2. Select Elements. Select this square. Drag and drop it on your image. Change the color by clicking here and select black. Resize your shape to cover the page, but first, open the menu by right-clicking and select Send to Back to place your desired background behind your image. I will change my font color to white so it is visible on my black background. Resize your background as needed to complete your logo. We now have a logo that we can place on a white background and one that we can place on a black background. Download your logo, click Share, ensure you have selected the 2 pages before you download. Remember, you can also remove the background from both logos on slazer.com. This way, they can be conveniently placed on any other colored background. I hope this video has been helpful. I'd like to see your comments. Please leave some below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help reach others who may find my videos useful.